We are pleased to show you the 2001 Chevy Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power steering, cruise control, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, security system, CD player, power windows, power door locks. Come see the car for yourself.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.